glam look, we will start off with Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Face Primer. Okay, next thing we're gonna use is this matte SuperStay by Maybelline foundation in Classic Ivory. Alright, next we're gonna use this concealer, Age Rewind by Maybelline in Light. And then we're also going to add the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Alright, we'll blend it out. Okay, after that we're going to use a translucent powder to set our foundation and concealer. Next we're going to use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Stencil Kit in this shade. And then we will set it off by the Wet n Wild Brow Mascara or Ultimate Brow Mascara. And then we're going to use this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. Apply the white or the brighter shade first, and then this brown shade or the whole lid. And then we will apply the darker shade on the corner, but just not outside of the eyelid. And then we'll blend it out with this brush. Okay, we're gonna use this Maybelline concealer in shade 25 because we're gonna apply a blue shade on this. Okay, we're gonna use this Festival BYS Eyeshadow Palette in the blue shade on top of the concealer to give a more vibrant look. And then we'll take this brown shade of the same palette and blend it out. Okay, we'll apply the same concealer we used earlier to give more shape to our eyeshadow. And then blend it out again. Alright, so we'll apply on a lower lash this shade of eyeshadow from the same palette. And then the darker shade, we will apply it just on top of it. Alright, eyeliner time, so we're going to use the Maybelline Hyperglossy Liquid Liner. Okay, just on top of that, we're going to use this silver liquid liner to give it a more glamorous look. Okay, we'll apply also in the inner corner to give it a highlighted look or glittery look. And then we'll apply this LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner in brown shade. And now we're going to apply the lashes. After the lashes, we're going to apply this NYX Away We Glow highlighter slash blush palette. Okay, next thing we're going to use is the Maybelline Raw Cocoa Powder Matte Lipstick. let's add one more thing, the matte SuperStay by Maybelline in Self Starter. Okay, I'm gonna set off this look with the matte Studio Fix setting spray. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.